my Gambian kitchen, our Gambian kitchen. Today we are going to make fried rice. It's very simple, not more than 30 minutes. This is my go-to when I'm always pressed for time. So I have my shrimps already cleaned, really cleaned. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season it with some garlic salt, um, with some garlic herb seasoning, little bit of cayenne, and some paprika. The paprika just to give it color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit oil to my pot just to brown, give the shrimp some color. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And I'm gonna take it out and just set it aside. You can tell when the shrimp is really done. We don't want to overcook it or else it's gonna be very chewy. And I'm gonna just go ahead and set it aside. This is the rest of my ingredients. Some paprika. I have some ginger, a little bit ginger powder there. Some garlic herb seasoning, some salt, a little bit bouillon powder. And now I just cracked my eggs, so I'm just gonna scramble it a little bit. This takes less than 2 minutes to just scramble it, and I'm just gonna push it aside basically. And next I'm gonna go ahead and do my vegetables. For the vegetables, it depends what vegetables you want to use. You can use frozen ones or you can dice your own. Today I'm dicing my own vegetables, some carrots, different color carrots. It gives your fried rice really beautiful colors. And the same thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead, put it in the pot just few minutes, not more than 2 minutes, just to make them soft. So I'm just gonna push that aside as well. And if you have the frozen ones, you can do the same thing, but with the frozen ones usually I don't do this step. So I have some peppers, different peppers, the same thing, few minutes in the pot and just push them aside. The best fried rice is when the rice is a day old or more. So I just made this rice today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my rice to the pot, depending on how many cups of rice you wanna make. So for me, I just cooked 3 cups of rice. So I just added my rice to the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and fry the rice for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. Like here, I'm adding my black pepper um, and my garlic herb seasoning, bouillon powder, some paprika. The paprika gives it a really nice color. For fried rice, I like to use the combination of oyster sauce and soy sauce. So it's up to you. You can just use soy sauce by itself, but the oyster sauce gives it a really rich taste and a very nice texture to your fried rice. So my stove is set to the lowest because I'm gonna be stirring it until it's all done. I just added my eggs. The eggs are already cooked, so I just want everything to be incorporated with the rice. The key here is to keep stirring to avoid the rice being burned. But it's smelling so good. It's smelling super good. Now I'm adding my shrimp. It is just delicious. Please try this. It is very, very, very delicious, very easy to make. About 30 minutes, not more than 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes because I cut my own vegetables, but if I didn't cut my vegetables, it can be less than 30 minutes. So like I said, just keep stirring because we don't want our fried rice to be burned. Now at this point, if you want, go ahead and add like a spoon of butter. And if you have some green onions, which are the scallops, yes, just go ahead and cut them and add them. It gives it a beautiful color and a really nice flavor. Basically, our fried rice is ready. Please try this recipe. You can do this with chicken, with any kind of meat, with chicken or just with vegetables. It's just super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. Share the videos with your friends and families. Thank you so much once again for watching. If you have any video ideas, go ahead and post it in the comment section below. Now I am ready to eat this delicious fried rice. This is a must try. Please go ahead and try this recipe and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Bye. Mali tundula,